Now I'm going to show you some flashcards, and I want you in your teams to rearrange them with the right word. So if you got, for example, a picture for an orange, you need to find the word orange and write it or match it together. Okay? Now let's make sure that we remember how to write the new fruit that we had today. So we got a scrambling activity. You have different words, and every word is having scrambled letters, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes in your team to try to arrange the word, rearrange it in the right way. Excellent job, everyone. Now we have another exercise. Now I'm going to give you these coloring pages, and every one of you, I'm going to say, for example, the word orange. You're going to show me the word orange, and then you're going to color it with the right color that is suitable to it. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Can we just pass the paper around, everyone? Yes, just take one paper and pass the rest of the pack to the next participant, please. Yes, very good, without any standing or any hustle. That's very good. Now, are you ready? Where is the banana? Yes, excellent. Now you have 1 minute to color it. Now let's go with orange. Where is the orange? Do we have an orange here? Yes, that's very good. How about the apple? Excellent job. Now let's just make sure that we all know the new fruit that we have. So I'm just going to give you this small reading, and I want you to read it quickly, just to skim it and search for the words that we have taken today, the new fruit that we have taken today. Are you ready? Yes, of course you can do it in your team. You can help each other. Excellent job. Now, which word did you find? Banana. Okay, that's very good. Which line? Line number 2. That's great. How about in line number 3? Did you find anything? Apples. Excellent. And how about here? Orange. That's really nice. Now, let's use all of the new words that we have taken today to make a very simple presentation or a role play where you're talking about the fruit that you like using the new fruit that we have taken today. Your role plays were excellent. Please give it up to yourself. That's excellent job. Now let's make sure that we recap our lesson. You have these cards, and I want you to circle what are the new words that we have taken today. Yes, you got 1 minute. Excellent job. Can you show it to me now? Yes, Ahmed, can you tell me which words you circled? Orange, that's really nice. Peter, that's great. Okay, Mona, very good. And let's go to the last word. Hanan, that's excellent. So our assignment for the next time, we're going to make a mini presentation where you're going to talk about the fruit that you like and the fruit that you do not like. And we're going to do it in the beginning of our coming class. Thank you so much, and see you in the coming class. And I'm gonna be here if you have any questions.